Hello and welcome back to Crypto Novas, where newbies become masters. My name is Chris Brown and I'm the host. Wanted to do my weekly rant. I got some good reviews on the last one I did, so I want to do another one this week because it's been a pretty exciting week in the world of crypto. Coinbase finally got launched on NASDAQ, and that was an exciting thing for Coinbase and for Coinbase investors. It's still something to watch in terms of where the price is going to go. It actually launched out. The price started at about 472. And last time I checked, it was down to like 322 per unit. Bitcoin, as a result, got close to 65,000, but didn't quite get past it. And in fact, it has retraced back to about a little over 60,000 when I checked this morning. So it's moving kind of sideways a little bit. It didn't drop into the 50s, which is good, but you would have liked to have seen it get closer up to the 70s. So we'll have to see what this week has in store for Bitcoin and price action. The positive thing is that large corporations are still buying Bitcoin as part of their treasury reserves. So the big tip for retail investors would be, now is still a good time to buy in Bitcoin. Don't think that you've missed out just because the price is up in the mid 60s. It's still a good time to get in, so I would strongly suggest if you haven't bought, buy some. And if you have, this is a good time to accumulate. Price, though, in general in the crypto market has gone up. I mean, it's over 2 trillion. The last time I checked, it was 2.2 trillion. And a lot of that is coming from the altcoin activity. Altcoin market has done sensational. Ethereum came really close to 2,500. Litecoin it surpassed 300. It's sitting about 315. Got to keep in mind that its all-time high was 375, so it's beginning to press upon that. It did $100 in the last couple of days in terms of its increase. Bitcoin Cash has increased. It has surpassed $1,000. AMP was at 2 cents or about 2.5. It was under 3 cents. It is now at 5 cents. XRP has done a jump. Zcash has increased in value. So the altcoins are seeing really fantastic gains. Dogecoin. I did a thing on Dogecoin last night. It was in the first part of April. Dogecoin was at 7 cents. It had wicked up as high as 44 cents. So my hat's off to the Dogecoin community. And again, that was as a response to Elon Musk's tweet that he believed in the coin and he saw that the price was going to increase, and in fact, it did. So take some time to take a look at the altcoins. Again, my recommendation is if you're new to the market, stay in the top 10. If you want to feel a little bit more riskier, your risk tolerance is a little bit higher, then go from the top 1 to 50 and take a look at the coins that are in there. But take some time to get yourself educated on the coins, the management team, the business use case, the adoption of it, of that particular token or coin, and make some choices for yourself and make some wise choices. And again, always have an investment strategy. Now, leading to investment strategy, let's talk a little bit about taxes. Now, I'm not a financial advisor or a tax accountant, but one thing that I was doing my research this week, I read an article about South Korea putting pressure on exchanges to reveal to them personal information about people who have made significant gains, and so that they could go after them to gain taxes. So the governments across the planet are going to want to get their take of the crypto market as well, and the profits that you get. So it's going to be really important for you to understand that. The significance of this is, I've always known this about the United States, but outside the United States, I haven't heard so much about it. Now it's beginning to happen. So if it's happening outside the United States, for those of you that are inside the US, for sure it's going to happen here. So it's really important to understand the tax game as it relates to your crypto investing. You got to get a specialist with that. Not all tax people understand the crypto market or how to handle it, so you got to find someone who does. And you got to consider your entry point and your exit point. And if you trade, you got to keep track of your information, because it could in fact burn you big time if you do not. So just word to the wise. Again, I'm not an expert in this arena and don't even pretend to be. In fact, there's a lot I'm still trying to learn in regards to it, but I wanted to make you guys aware that this is something that you needed to seriously consider. So I hope those tips are good for you. It's Saturday. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my day. I hope you guys do as well. Be blessed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful Saturday.